Morning, everybody. We are getting ready to pull into a house. My house had 9 systems on. We're gonna do the evaporator coil and one of the geothermals up in the attic. That big old house sitting there. They've done some trimming on the trees. You used to not be able to see the house, so they've taken a lot of trees out of it. Find a place to park here. Maybe I'll park right here in the front of the garage. If I have to move, I will. Alright, I'm getting ready to get set up to change the evaporator in this little 3-ton Florida heat pump geothermal unit. So let me get set up and we'll get her going. Alright, I got the coil kind of loose. If you can see it back there, but it wasn't the easiest thing to get apart. Took the heat strips out down there, the wiring, the motor. Here's the inside of it. I gotta get my flashlight, but I might go down and get my torches. Took the top, took it off, or unscrewed it, unscrewed the plenum. See, they use silicone. Look at that. What a pain to get loose. And then, to top it all off, Florida heat pump riveted the coil in. They didn't screw it in. So, I had to use a 5/16 screw and pull the rivets out. But now it's apart. I just gotta go get my torches, unsweat it, put the new coil in, put everything back together. Alright, so that's the coil in the box. It's gonna be a little harder than what I thought. Yeah, definitely gonna be harder than what I thought. Each one of these little tubes right here got to get soldered in place where the other ones. So yeah, it's definitely gonna be a little harder, but we'll get it done. Alright, so I'm around the back of the unit now. See, I took the thing, got a back door on it. You can take it off, but I've got to unsweat this one, this one, the suction line, and then these 3 feeder tubes down there at the bottom. And then I'll have it ready to pull out of there. Like I said, each one of these, it was riveted, so they didn't make it easy to come out for sure. But anyway, got my torches down there. We'll get it unsweated and get it taken out of there so I can get the new one in, get this thing put back together. Alright, I've changed my mind. I'm not gonna unsweat the suction line out of there. I'm just gonna cut it loose and push it back in. I got enough play, but what I am gonna do is walk down these stairs with you. Show you how many flights of stairs I gotta go up and down. I probably, before it's over, probably make 12 trips up and down that thing. But I'll show you. Gotta be quiet though. I got to park in the garage this morning because he's expecting a truck to come get a dumpster over there. So I got to pull up in the garage. It's not too often I get to park in the people's garage, and usually it's because the garage isn't tall enough. But this one was. So I'm gonna get my tubing cutters and get back up there. Alright, we'll take a trip up the stairs too. Back at home, sweet home. Man, you almost need to take a break every time you climb those stairs. But anyway, I'm gonna get cut loose and get the other one out. Alright, so the coil is out, and see the smear I just left on that, all the oil. So that's definitely had a freon leak in this one. Anyway, so it's out. It was a pain in my butt to get out, but it's out. Alright, so I got her welded in place. Kind of sucks because I had to step over there, around there, through that little hole over there. But I don't know. They riveted the same thing in place, so I've got to see. I've put a screw up there already, so I got to put screws in it to, because I'm not going to re-rivet it. But anyway, now it's time to put this thing back together, start pulling vacuum. One more trip down the stairs. This time I'll take the recovery machine down, bring my vacuum pump up. Alright, I've got it just about put together. Coils in. I just turned the thermostat on. All I got to do is just reattach that, tape it up real good, and then haul my stuff out of here. I'm just going to give it a few minutes for the time delay to start, and so the compressor starts up. But that's it. It's a pain to do because, like I said, I had to crawl back there around that that brace and then back to get to the back. So you gotta be a pretty small guy to get back there. So, alrighty, that's it. Alright, so I'm trying to get finished up here. I got the insulation taped back up, but this right here is why I use spray adhesive in the can, because this was done a long time ago, I guess. I don't know, somebody cut the insulation, but I sprayed some spray adhesive on there, and that's the original tape that was there. You can see that that's coming off right there, but I'm going to squeeze it back, and now it's part of it, but I'm going to go ahead and spray some more on there, put some more tape on there, and that'll be done. I did that side over there, can't even tell. Tape's part of the insulation. So anyway,